Did you know there is a place on Earth where massive rocks move on their own, silently gliding across the desert floor and leaving long trails behind them, without any human or animal help? This incredible phenomenon takes place at Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed nestled deep in Death Valley National Park, California, one of the hottest and driest places on the planet. For decades, the sailing stones of Racetrack Playa puzzled scientists and baffled explorers. First documented in the early 1900s, observers found rocks weighing up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, sitting at odd angles with long, winding trails carved into the cracked, clay-like surface of the playa, suggesting movement, but with no obvious cause. There were no signs of rolling, no slope to push them, and no footprints or machinery in sight. The mystery endured until 2014, when researchers finally captured the movement on time-lapse cameras. The scientific explanation? A rare mix of weather conditions. During cold winter nights, a shallow layer of water from rare rains collects on the playa. As temperatures drop, thin sheets of ice form beneath the rocks. When the sun rises, the ice begins to melt and light winds, just 3 to 5 miles per hour, 5 to 8 kilometers per hour, can push these rocks slowly across the slick surface, dragging the ice and leaving behind their eerie trails. Racetrack Playa is not just a geological wonder, but also a quirky cultural landmark. On the way there, at the intersection of Racetrack Road and Lippincott Road, you'll encounter Tea Kettle Junction, a metal signpost covered with old tea kettles, coffee pots, and cookware, many of them bearing handwritten notes, names, and messages left by previous visitors. Though its origins are uncertain, some say it began as a joke or a navigational aid, it has grown into a beloved roadside tradition. The National Park Service occasionally clears some of the kettles to preserve the landscape, but new ones always appear. It's a fun and unexpected photo stop in the middle of this remote wilderness. The surface of Racetrack Playa itself is equally remarkable. Though often mistaken for a dried river, it's actually a playa, or dry lake bed, that floods seasonally and then evaporates under the intense desert sun. Measuring 2.8 miles long, with an elevation variance of just 1.5 inches, the playa's ultra-flat surface is key to the sailing stone phenomenon. When dry, it forms a distinctive pattern of polygonal cracks, and when wet, it becomes extremely delicate. So much so that walking on it can leave footprints that last for years. Visitors are asked to avoid stepping on it when wet to help preserve its natural beauty. But Racetrack Playa is just one of Death Valley's geological wonders. The park features extreme landscapes like Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America at 282 feet below sea level, surreal salt flats, multicolored hills at Artist's Palette, massive sand dunes, and slot canyons carved by flash floods. Temperatures here regularly exceed 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, in summer, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. Despite this harshness, it's home to uniquely adapted plants, animals, and even blooming wildflowers after rare rainfalls. The sailing stones remain a stunning example of how nature's mysteries can be stranger than fiction, and how patience and science can finally explain the seemingly impossible. If you ever visit, prepare for a remote, rugged adventure into one of the most beautifully bizarre places on the planet.